Don't argue with donkeys. Don't argue with donkeys. Never argue with a fool. Onlookers may not be able to tell the difference. Mark Twain. Proverbs 26:4. Don't answer the foolish argument of fools, or you become as foolish as they are. The donkey said to the tiger, "The grass is blue." The tiger replied, "No, the grass is green." The discussion heated up, and the two decided to submit it to arbitration. And for this, they went before the lion, the king of the jungle. Already before reaching the forest clearing where the lion was sitting on his throne, the donkey began to shout, "His Highness, is it true that the grass is blue?" The lion replied, "True, the grass is blue." The donkey hurried and continued, "The tiger disagreed with me and contradicts and annoys me. Please punish him." The king then declared, "The tiger will be punished with 5 years of silence." The donkey jumped cheerfully and went on his way, content and repeating, "The grass is blue." The tiger accepted his punishment, but before that he asked the lion, "Your Majesty, why have you punished me? After all, the grass is green." The lion replied, "In fact, the grass is green." The tiger asked, "So why are you punishing me?" The lion replied, "That has nothing to do with the question of whether the grass is blue or green. The punishment is because it is not possible for a brave and intelligent creature like you to waste time arguing with a donkey. And on top of that, come and bother me with this trivial question. The worst waste of time is arguing with a fool and a fanatic who does not care about truth or reality, but only the victory of his beliefs and illusions. Never waste time on arguments that don't make sense. There are people who, no matter the evidence we present to them, are not in the capacity to understand, and others are blind by ego, hatred, and resentment. All they want is to be right, even if they are not. Remember, when ignorance screams, intelligence is silent. Your peace and quiet are worth more. So there are some people, don't waste your time and argue with them. If you do, onlookers will not see the difference. You may think you are a fool like them. Bible said that foolish and unlearned questions, avoid them, for they gender strife and unnecessary argument and fight. Some political discourse, avoid them. People have fought politics and some have stabbed themselves. And the worst part of it, they don't know anybody in authority. Nobody is going to appoint them for nothing. They fight unnecessarily. So please, and even the next meal on the table, you don't know where it is coming from. Yet these people, with the small food they have eaten, will exert and waste that energy on unnecessary politics. If the thing will not bring food to the table, if it will not bring you closer to your vision, if it will not make you a better person, even people will argue about Bible wisdom. I've told you, when I see that the thing will not help, what will I tell you? You have won. Then we'll end the argument, because it will waste my energy. I won't spend time on something that will not make me productive, will drain me, take every energy in me, and at the end of the day, I have not achieved anything. People like that will come into your life. When they see the thing to be green, they will tell you it is blue. And whatever you say, they think that it should be blue and you must accept it. If they are saying it is blue, blue is okay because it is Chelsea. Keep it that it is blue and let's stay alive. Because no matter what Tottenham will do, Chelsea will forever be victorious. So to some extent, the donkey was making sense because he loved the color blue. And the color blue will forever reign. All your young. The Lord bless you. Amen.
Amen.